Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So this will be a fast update as I will be getting back to work now and starting work on new features for Aimogen. And today I want to show you just a quick update on what I added recently to Aimogen. It is a new tab in the AI chatbot menu, Custom Chatbot Builder, and here you will be able to set up shortcodes which as you can see got really long now, and because of this I added this Custom Chatbot Builder which will be making your work much easier. So as you can see here, you can configure the model and it will be automatically updated in the shortcodes. So this builder will create shortcodes for you which will create custom chatbots based on your settings. So if you want, for example, to switch to image text, you will be able to do this simply by setting default chat mode. And if you search for images, chat mode was set to images. And if we set this back to text, chat mode was set back to text now. So as you can see, you will have lots and lots of options here. You will be able to customize your chatbot, and afterwards simply copy this shortcode and you will be able to use it in your posts and pages or on the front end of your site. So this is a preview of the chatbot, so we will be also able to customize this preview. So for example, let us change the user font color. So for this, let me write something. So I write hello, and
How can I assist you today?
I changed the user font color to red, for example, and here it is. In this little preview, we also can see how this will look on the front end of our site. So keep in mind, use this shortcode to get the custom chatbot that you build using any of these settings, and simply copy paste this anywhere you're on your site and a custom chatbot will appear based on how you configured it. So Aimogen is linked in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it there, and you will be able to find more features in Aimogen and more similar updates will be coming soon. So if you enjoyed these videos, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated, and until next time, this is all for today. Bye bye.